Like pH glass electrodes, metal electrodes consist of two half cells, a metal surface and a reference system. The metal surface is exposed to the sample. If the sample contains ions of the same metal, they interact with the metal surface and form an equilibrium. This equilibrium is characterized by a so-called Galvani potential. A typical example are silver electrodes. Galvani potentials are also formed if a redox reaction takes place in the sample. For such measurements, inert metals like gold or platinum are used. The electrode is then only a catalyst for the formation of electrons. The reference system ensures a constant reference potential. The difference between the two potentials is what is measured by the instrument.